India's 2026 BJP might not win in the West Bengal election. The BJP alliance in Tamil Nadu might not do well. The war in the Ukraine can have a temporary lull with some kind of the negotiation. The skirmishes in the border between India and Pakistan will.
A home is a lifetime dream, but one mistake can affect your whole future. Before you build the home, check your Vastu with our astrologer Gopalakrishnan.
Namaste. India's 2026 journey, how it is going to be. Basically there will be a lot of political stability in the central government, and also BJP might not win in the West Bengal election, but that might increase their vote percentage, vote share. Mamata might continue to rule across the West Bengal. The second thing is the BJP alliance in Tamil Nadu might not do well. As far as the stock markets are concerned, the large cap stocks will start doing very well. Consumption and metal sectors will start doing very well across. And also the rupee will continue to slide down and probably can reach 92 rupees. The export to the US market might not be going too well. We might be moving closer towards Russia than towards America across. The war in the Ukraine can have a temporary lull with some kind of a negotiation, but it might not be an end in sight which might be happening across as a person. And also the skirmishes in the border between India and Pakistan will continue, and the skirmishes between Afghanistan and Pakistan can continue, and Bangladesh, Nepal and Burma, Pakistan, Afghanistan will go through political turmoil, and we might not wage war with Pakistan across. And if at all there will be some border skirmishes will be there, and the manufacturing sector's output will increase. And also the other thing is the cinema will continue to be on the downslide with OTT ruling. The mobile and the UPI and the other apps might increase, and regional language cinema like Kannada, Malayalam can perform well, better than Tamil. And also there will be Ukraine war might continue in a proxy manner, and USA will tighten the immigration and will bring more and more tightening of the immigration. There will always be problem with the EU countries and the Muslims across. And the other thing is the US market, the AA can have a meltdown, and the interest rate can be further cut by the RBI. And also there can be some kind of a cutting of the rate by the Fed. And March 15th and February 15th can be a difficult time in terms of India. And the manufacturing like that of copper, aluminium will continue to go up. And the other emerging markets like that of Korea, Taiwan, Pakistan can do well. So overall, it need not be a year like that of the COVID or something like that. Overall, it will be an okay year. The sports, the chess will continue to do well, and Indian athletes will perform better. There will be mixed thing as far as the cricket is concerned. Gautam Gambhir can have a slightly difficult time across as a person. So this is for 2026 prediction. So we will continue to update the prediction. We will continue to do throughout the year. The weather will continue. The rain will be there in most parts of the country, because both Saturn and Jupiter is in the watery sign. So it's bound to do well across. The India's monsoon is going to be better with a thing across. Thank you so much.